Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping 1 kg of firm vegetables and drying them completely. Moisture ruins texture. Measure 200-250 ml light beer and 100 ml vinegar to balance flavor and acidity, because beer brings fermentable sugars while vinegar stabilizes pH. Add 2% salt by weight to draw moisture and concentrate flavors. Toast and grind mustard, fenugreek, and dry red chili for heat and preservation. Once done, layer vegetables and spices into the sterilized jar tightly to limit air pockets. You now pour the beer vinegar brine so all vegetables are submerged. This creates the anaerobic environment needed for gentle fermentation. Leave 1 to 2 centimeters of headspace to allow expansion, and seal the jar loosely for the first 2 to 3 days at room temperature 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Burp it once daily to release carbon dioxide. This phase develops tang and complexity. Once bubbling slows, tighten the lid and transfer to a cooler spot at 12 to 16 degrees for 1 to 2. You finish by tasting after about 1 week and deciding when the acidity and texture match your preference. Refrigerate to slow fermentation once happy. If fuzzy mold with colors appears on the surface, discard the batch because that indicates contamination, whereas thin white calm yeast is benign. Skim it off, then cool and monitor. Make sure to always use clean utensils to prevent new microbes. If pickle is too sharp, dilute successive jars with a little oil or sugar. If bland, allow a few more days at cool temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.